Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply the GAQQI DIY lashes at home. This tutorial is very easy and very straightforward. You don't need any salon appointment with these lashes. All you have to do is to get the tweezers, get the lash bond and get the eyelashes and you would be good to go. So this is what the packaging looks like, guys. The packaging came with the tweezers and also the lash bond, and as you can tell the lashes had different types of lengths in them, and I'm really quite impressed with the quality of the lashes, by the way. Very easy to apply, and I also have the bond and the coat. So those are all you need to apply these lashes. So the first step is to apply the bond. I did two applications of the bond on my lash line, and I applied the lashes exactly where I applied the glue bond. So it's very easy and very straightforward. All you need to do is just place the lashes on the glue and then use the bottom of your tweezers to press it down a bit more. Very easy. Apply the lashes as you please and choose any length of your choice. I actually opted for 16 and 14. I used 16 at the back of my outer corner, and I used 14 at my inner corner. So yeah, I love everything glam and lengthy lashes. So yeah, and depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, but for this look I actually opted for the first line, which is using 516 and 314 lash piece. Everything I did in the video is self-explanatory, so you can actually stop at this point. Yeah, you can stop at that point, but for me, I love volume, so I decided to apply more and layer it. These lashes are so simple and very lightweight, so much so that you can actually layer them up. So I went ahead and layered more and I am loving it. Look at that, the volume, the length and the texture of the lashes, everything is just giving what it's supposed to give. I'm really impressed with the quality of their lashes, and I love the fact that I can actually do this in 10 minutes and off I go. Another thing I love about their lashes is the fact that as I speak right now I'm still wearing the lashes. The quality of their glue, oh my god, the bond is amazing. I've done everything, washed my face, did everything, I still had the lashes stains laid. So I did the other side of the eyes as well, the same thing, just the same as I did before, but in this process I started from my outer corner, but I layered it at the beginning of the video, at the beginning of my outer corner, if that makes sense. So I went for two. Instead of doing first layer first, I knew I was going for 2 layers, so I did 2 layers as I go. Unlike the first one that I did the first layer first, then did the second layer again, but on this part I did the 2 layers straightforward. So I applied 2 lashes at the same time. So yeah, quick, easy, straightforward and very simple. Anyone can actually apply these lashes. I'm really impressed with how easy it is to apply these lashes, and the fact that there was no irritation whatsoever using the lash bond. The lash bond is really amazing. I didn't experience any irritation at all, and there is no redness on my eyes, as you can tell. So yeah, you really need this. Anyone can apply this at home, and very affordable, guys, compared to going to the salon for appointments and having to wait at the salon. No, none of that. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? I am really impressed. Like, wow, look at that. Bring the salon home with the GAQQI lashes in 2 to 5 minutes. You will be done. You would be done. I highly recommend that you guys check them out and let me know. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply these GAQQI lashes. This is what the packaging looks like. Like, how cute is this? Very stylish and also very pocket friendly. So I showed you guys how I applied this lashes. I'm actually wearing 14 and 16 right now. The 16 is at the back and the 14 is at the front. So yeah, I love the length. Look at that. I'm gonna quickly tell you guys what I feel about these lashes and the brand. I've actually worked with the brand before, and this is their new collection, I believe, and I am quite impressed with these lashes, guys. That you guys already know when it comes to my lashes, I like drama. This drama counts me. This particular package actually came in the length 20, 18, 16, 14, 12 and 10, so you have loads of amazing options to choose from, depending on your look, depending on the style you're going for. For today's look, I opted for 16 and 14. I like drama. I like, you know, anything that has to do with drama when it comes to lashes just counts me in, guys. Counts me in. If you like drama, you would love this collection. Like, seriously, look at that. The length, the style, the, you know, the design of the lashes, the packaging, everything is just giving what it's supposed to give. I'm quite impressed with how amazing the lashes just apply on without any stress at all. You guys are going to see how I apply these lashes without any hassle. You don't need to go to salon to install your lashes. They actually have everything you need to use to install your lashes or apply your lashes by yourself at home, which is why I'm here to show you guys how to do this at home without having to spend or wait for appointment, go for appointment and all those, you know, blah blah blah. You don't need all that. You have GAQQI lashes. You've got everything you need to do your lashes at home. So the packaging also came with this, you know, bond glue. So the bond is the one that I actually applied first, so then I applied the lashes, and the lashes just stick to it like pam pam pam, which was really quick. Everything actually took me like 5 minutes. Simple and straightforward. So on this side you got your bond, and on the other side you got your seal as well. So the seal is what you use to seal your lashes together. It's so easy for me to apply the lashes. I really like how long they are. It just makes the application very easy. I love the tweezers. I'm really impressed with the quality of their tweezers as well. They're very sturdy, very sharp, and very easy to, you know, manipulate, to use to apply your lashes. The bond is really easy to use, and I didn't experience any irritation to my eyes whatsoever. And immediately you know, place the lashes on the bond, it just sticks magically. Like, how amazing is that? I really love that. And the seal as well. So if you're looking for a stylish lashes that's gonna give that bow and pow vibe to your look, I definitely recommend the GAQQI lashes. So would I really recommend the lashes? Absolutely. If you're looking for a beginner friendly lashes, I highly recommend that you check the GAQQI lashes out. I'm gonna leave the details of the brand in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.